Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Today I am going to tell you how to use whipping cream from powdered whipped cream or easy way to decorate a cake. Here I am using Dream whipped cream. It contains 4 sachets. Now taking one packet out. For this take a bowl, adding half cup of milk in it. Pour this cream milk into the bowl and start beat it. Here I am using electric beater. You can use a whisk as well or a blender too. But with the help of a whisk, almost 10 minutes are required. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and press the bell icon to get notified about all my upcoming new videos. You can see it start thickening. Now beat at high speed for almost 2 to 3 minutes more until it's light, creamy and fluffy. You can see beautifully textured whipped cream is almost ready in just 2 to 3 seconds. So it's done. Now take plain cake. I have divided it into 2 parts and I am adding orange juice as required. Now apply whipped cream on first layer. Now place the second layer of the plain cake. Pour the remaining cream. And spread it evenly all over the surface of the cake as well as on the sides of the cake with the knife. It's so light and fluffy, you can see it's texture. Adding melted chocolate on top. Here I am using cooking chocolate. You can grate the chocolate or as well you can use chocolate chips. Both these looks very good. I have used fruit cocktail and colored jellies on top. So if you like it, do give it a try and share your views through comment section. And thanks for watching.